Starting an e-commerce business with AI in 2024 can be a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to earn money online. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started. 1. Define your niche. Before starting any e-commerce business, it's essential to identify your niche. This will help you narrow down your product offerings and target a specific audience. Here are some tips to help you define your niche. Identify your passions and interests. Research popular trends and products. Analyze your competitors. Determine your unique selling proposition, USP. Choose your e-commerce platform. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to choose an e-commerce platform. There are several options available, including Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, and BigCommerce. Here are some factors to consider when choosing your platform. Ease of use, customization options, integration with AI tools, pricing, scalability. 3. Integrate AI tools. AI tools can help you streamline your e-commerce business by automating tasks, improving customer experiences, and optimizing your operations. Here are some AI tools you can integrate into your e-commerce platform. Chatbots. These AI-powered tools can help you provide 24/7 customer support, answer frequently asked questions, and handle simple tasks. Personalization. AI can help you personalize your product recommendations, email campaigns, and website content based on customer behavior and preferences. Inventory management. AI can help you optimize your inventory levels by predicting demand, minimizing stockouts, and reducing waste. Pricing optimization. AI can help you optimize your pricing strategy by analyzing market trends, competitor pricing, and customer behavior. 4. Optimize your website. Your website is the face of your commerce business, so it's essential to optimize it for user experience and search engine optimization, SEO. Here are some tips to help you optimize your website. Use a responsive design that's optimized for mobile devices. Ensure your website is fast and loads quickly. Use high-quality images and product descriptions. Optimize your website for SEO by using relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and alt tags. 5. Market your business. Marketing is essential to attract and retain customers. Here are some marketing strategies you can use to promote your e-commerce business. Social media marketing. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach your target audience. Content marketing. Create high-quality content like blog posts, videos, and infographics to attract and engage your audience. Email marketing. Use email campaigns to promote your products, offer discounts, and provide updates. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products and reach a wider audience. 6. Manage your finances. Managing your finances is crucial to the success of your e-commerce business. Here are some tips to help you manage your finances. Set up a budget and stick to it. Use accounting software to track your expenses and revenue. Optimize your pricing strategy to maximize profits. Consider offering financing options like payment plans or buy now, pay later. 7. Provide excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service is essential to building a loyal customer base. Here are some tips to help you provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries. Provide multiple channels for customer support, such as email, phone, and live chat. Train your customer service team to handle difficult situations professionally. Use AI-powered chatbots to provide 24/7 customer support. 8. Measure and analyze your results. Measuring and analyzing your results is essential to optimize your e-commerce business. Here are some metrics you should track: sales and revenue, customer acquisition and retention, average order value, conversion rate, customer satisfaction, and feedback. By following these steps, you can start an e-commerce business with AI in 2024 and earn money online. Remember to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the e-commerce industry to stay ahead of the competition.